Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 3rd, 2021. We're going to give you all an update price prediction for Li Auto. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. Like I said, before you go, hit the like button, share the video. Also, subscribe to this channel. You want to tap that bell notification so you do not miss out on any of our price predictions. Yes, I did say that, price predictions for the stock market. And today we're going to give you all the one for Li Auto. And there are some things that we need to talk about since our last video. Okay, being fully transparent. I mean, you guys can see our expectations into the market for Li Auto, what we expected the market to do. So you guys can see it was right here on the 19th of January. We expected the market to go higher in price for this stock. And it did on the 20th of January. Now, if you want to, go back and look at our video, listen to our video, and you all will see that we did expect a area of TP, i.e. meaning where would you take profit, was at $37.31. We understood that there would be sellers at that particular price level, and there was. I mean, the market in Li Auto on the 20th of January topped out at $37.65. So we had our TP at $37.31. So we TP the market there. And since that time, look at the market, completely dropped. Where is the market demand? What is going on with Li Auto? Will we see the market go higher in price? We're going to address all of that today on this video. So first thing, I think it was about 5%, around $37.31. Yep, about 5% right there in that particular forecast. Congratulations, you caught it. You only had a day to actually look at this, and the market since then has went lower. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that, and let's update this particular chart and pay attention to what the trap has done. So over the last, I would say 2 weeks, so the market in Li Auto has just been on the downtrend. Now we are seeing some areas of support appear in the market for Li Auto. So what I'm going to do, I want to show you that though. So let's hit this over, and I wanted to show you this area here first. That is one area of support right there around hovering $30. The next one for Li Auto is down here. Let me do another one. Okay, this is the next area of support in this vicinity. So around $26.75, give or take. So these are the two areas right here that the market needs to show us support, i.e. the trap needs to show us that he needs to maintain the price in order for us to see a prospect of higher movement. These are the two areas. $30.20 back down is around $26.65-70 or so. Okay, so we got that. Let's go ahead and get rid of this one, and I wanted also to pinpoint and show you that the market in Li Auto have seen an increase in volume yesterday. So what occurred? Is that just a coincidence that the market volume has been increased yesterday right here alongside our support area? No, that's not a coincidence. Someone came into the market for Li Auto trying to prop up the price right there around $30. It's just that simple. So as we go throughout the next couple of trading days, going into next week, this is going to have a major impact on where we're headed based off this volume. Okay, let's look at the market in Li Auto on a different time frame real quick. Now you can see on the 3-day time frame that the market generally is weak. This is the only thing that's able to prop up the market at the moment is $30. Now we can see it come all the way down to the close of this particular 3-day price bar alongside this one, and then the market can get some more life and increase in price from that particular level. Okay, on the 5-day time frame, you guys can see here that generally there's no emphasis of demand in the market, so our focus needs to be right here in this vicinity. We need to see the strength coming to the market in Li Auto right here. Okay, got to see that. If we don't see that, the market in Li Auto is going to continue to go a lot lower and then ultimately break our ascending line. That is the worst thing that can happen into the market right now, is for the trap to come in and break this trend. That would definitely let us know that the market in Li Auto is weak. So we need to be a little bit more vigilant in this particular market for Li Auto. Have to be. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And let's look at this on a weekly time frame. And even here on the weekly time frame, you guys can see here that generally the market in Li Auto is weak right here around $30 all the way up here towards 36. I mean, the market in Li Auto literally has been in sell mode. Majority of the precipitation going on in the market, going on in the market for Li Auto has been nothing but selling. That's what everyone has been doing while Li Auto has been trading at those prices. They've been offloading their shares in this particular stock. And the process so far is still ongoing. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. Look at the market on the monthly time frame. We're already starting off the month of February in weakness. The weakness came through for the month of December, and we're still seeing stockpile coming to the market on the month of January. So we're bleeding that over into the month of February. There's just no emphasis of strength coming in this particular stock right now. The only thing that I will say is that this volume indicates that someone tried to come in to prop up the price in Li Auto. So before I let you all go, you guys can see right here that, yeah, even on this high volume here, the market did not react negatively to it. So for the most part, I mean, what we're going to expect in Li Auto is for this market really in the next couple of days to try to show us that it's going to hold $30. There's no guarantee that that's going to happen. So we're definitely looking for the market to try to come in and test this ascending line. Okay. So given everything that we talked about on this video, I mean, what would you expect the market to do? If you were to do it on a percentage basis, I would say maybe around 75–80% chance that the market in Li Auto is going to continue to go lower in price. That 20% of the market holding $30 and the market going higher from there. So that would be from a risk adjustment basis on a percentage as to what we're seeing for this particular market. 80% movement downside, 20% movement that the market's going to hold $30 and try to go higher in price from there. Okay. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and put a forecast in on. We're going to play it, the movement to the downside real quick. Not a lot, but definitely looking for the trap to try to come in and prop up this market, if anything, right here alongside our ascending line. Okay. So let's go ahead and transition this time frame over to the daily, and then we'll let you all go. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this one out just a tad further. Okay. And I'm going to extend out this other one. Just a tad further as well. So these are the areas that we need to pay attention to. I mean, $30 for support, then ultimately this ascending line. Now we would TP the market in Li Auto right there around $28.90, which would be about 4.33% market movement to the downside from where the current close price was on the last trade for Li Auto. But again, we can see this market come all the way down to this ascending line. This is the ultimate test though. Seeing the market test this ascending line. Okay, we would definitely need to see this volume here or more alongside this ascending line in order for us to really get a cusp as to whether or not this market is going to continue to go higher or we're going to break that trend. Okay, so let's go ahead and follow this. We'll have some restriction ultimately around $34 in the market for Li Auto. Okay, now it's your turn. I mean, what do you all see in this particular market for Li Auto? Do you see higher price? Do you see the lower price? What is your expectations? I mean, because if anything, you all need to make sure you're in position to capitalize on the trap's movement. Now, the trap is the one who moves price. That's it. So tell everyone what you think. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now you know what to do. Trade different.